The Vollrath Vertical Contact Bun Toaster is safe and simple to clean with no tools required. This instructional video covers the recommended procedures. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items: sink or large bucket filled with warm, soapy water, cleaning cloth or sponge, clean towels for drying parts, clean, dry, soft cloth for wiping the release sheet. To begin, turn off and unplug the unit, allowing it to cool completely. Once cool, loosen the thumb screws and lift the top cover off the unit. Next, remove the front and back panels by lifting upward and sliding out. If using a conveyor belt wrap, remove it, wash it with soapy water, and dry. Wash the front and back panels, bun chute, and top cover in soapy water. Lift the release sheet from the platen and wipe the sheet with a clean, dry, soft cloth. If the sheet is not damaged, place it back in the unit. Reinstall the conveyor belt wrap if you use one. Reinstall the front and back panels by sliding them downward into place. Replace the bun chute and top cover, securing it by tightening the thumb screws. Your toaster is now ready to plug in, power on, and use. To learn more about your vertical contact bun toaster, visit us online at vollrathfoodservice.com.